In a slowing world, India is one of the fastest growing economy with a GDP growth rate of 7 to 8% in the last 3 to 4 years. GDP growth is expected to remain strong and there will also be increase in GDP per capita. This will lead to strong demand of energy from both industrials and personal consumption. Household demand of refrigeration and AC consumption increased in the last 10 years from 25% to 35%, while industrial demand is expected to increase from 35% in FY 2000 to 41% in FY 26. The concrete steps by the government with focus on India being a manufacturing hub aided by PLI is an enabler for the energy sector. Tata Resources and Energy Fund carries a good balance between non-cyclical segments of power, oil and gas, cement and cyclical businesses like metals, specialty chemicals and agricultural inputs like fertilizers, pesticides, etc. This fund covers the entire spectrum of energy and is potentially well placed to capture the rapid rise in power demand in India. The portfolio spans across companies engaged in coal production, oil exploration, oil transportation to oil marketing and distribution companies, gas generation and distribution companies on the conventional front. On the renewable front, companies doing work on solar, wind, hydro energy and energy using agricultural and domestic waste. Heat energy from the conventional and renewable resources are converted into electricity or power. This portfolio also captures power generation, power transmission and power distribution companies. India is the third largest producer and consumer of electricity worldwide. Power demand, installed capacity, generation and consumption all continue to rise. Renewable energy has a larger share in the incremental power capacity addition with solar power likely to outweigh other sources. The government's focus is on increasing the share of gas in the energy mix, increasing natural gas pipeline capacity and our portfolio position to capture the same. Going forward, we will see different forms of energy sources like hydrogen, biofuels. A couple of large conglomerates are doing capex to generate hydrogen from solar resource of energy and utilize the same for running other businesses of the conventional energy value chain. The endeavor is to replace hydrocarbon with a cleaner form of energy, that is hydrogen. Increasing demand for petroleum products, changes in the policies for oil exploration and production, increasing investments in the oil midstream sector, 100% foreign direct investment in many segments of the sector are some of the key drivers for the sector. With the energy sector having run up in the last 1 year or more so, it would be a good idea to diversify among other segments like cement and cyclicals like chemicals, agricultural inputs and metals, alongside holding a robust power portfolio. Nifty Energy, a pure energy index, yielded approximately 69% in the last 1 year, while Nifty Commodities, a largely diversified index of energy resources, yielded close to 54%. Demand for cement has been robust, driven by a raft of infrastructure investments, healthy momentum in the housing segment and urbanization. Cement capacity addition coupled with better utilization levels driven by strong demand will improve players' cost efficiencies. Chemical sector in India has the opportunity for a significant growth for the global companies seeking to de-risk their supply chains, which are dependent on China. Government's PLI scheme to boost domestic manufacturing and exports is an enabler for chemicals and agri-inputs, that is fertilizers and pesticides. Consumption of ferrous metals, that is steel, to remain strong, led by housing and infrastructure development. Also, demand for non-ferrous metals like aluminium will remain strong, led by rising share of electric vehicles and strong industrial activity. Tata Resources and Energy Fund diversifies well across cyclical and non-cyclical sectors, covering ground across subsegments. The fund manager constructs the portfolio with a balance between growth at reasonable price and value stocks. So why wait? Benefit from the potential growth of resource and energy sectors of India with Tata Resources and Energy Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.